Right, time for the arithmetic sum formula. So we're going to go to Program, New, and it's already on alpha lock. So we're going to call this one ARIT SUM. It's for arithmetic sequence sum. ARIT SUM. We have to use crazy names because it's archaic programming language. There we go. And now we're going to start off by telling the user what we need. So I'm going to hit alpha lock, and we need to start off with quotation marks for anything we want to appear on the screen. And we're going to say to find I keep losing the T. There we go. To find arithmetic sum. And then we're going to do another one. We need enter the first term. So quotation marks, enter. First term. And we're going to prompt, so that means we're asking the user for input now. And we're going to assign the first term to A. And now we need the last term. So we're going to, again, tell the user what we need. Enter last term. And then we're going to assign that one to Z. And then we do the math. Oh, no, sorry. We need one more thing. We need to know how many terms we have. So we're going to display how many terms. And we're going to assign that to the letter N. Now we do the math. So you take the number of terms, so N, divide that by 2, and then we're going to multiply that by, you add the first term and you add the last term. Store to X. And then we want to display the sum is. Oops, I forgot the quotation marks again. So I'm going to insert and then hit the quotation mark. The sum is, and then we're going to display the X. All right, so now let's see if this works. So for example, we're going to go to program. We just did the arithmetic sum. And we to find the arithmetic sum, we're going to enter the first term. So we're going to say the first term is 1, the last term is 4. So if I added the first 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So if I had the first term was 1, the last term was 4, and I had 4 terms, the answer should give us 10. And it does. Our program works.